In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to set up OpenClaw on a VPS. First, we'll set up your VPS. After that, we'll deploy OpenClaw, and then we'll connect OpenClaw to a message app. To set up your VPS, we're going to be using Hostingerr because with Hostingerr, you can deploy OpenClaw very simply with just one click. It's also quite affordable. To get started, you'll see the use cases and key features of OpenClaw, and in the top right, you can select a plan. By default, this is set to a KVM2 plan, and that's what I recommend for OpenClaw. It gives you the resources you need to run it smoothly, and you can always scale this up in the future if you need to. So I'm going to keep KVM2 selected, and once you've chosen a plan, click Deploy. Next, you'll choose your billing period. Further down on the page, you'll see that OpenClaw is set to auto-deploy, which is exactly what we want. This just means Hostingerr will install it for you automatically. If you scroll down, you'll see the option for daily auto backup. I'm going to skip this for now to keep the price lower, but if this is something that you plan to rely on, daily backups can be worth it. It's basically a safety net in case something breaks and you need to roll back. Scroll down a bit further and you can choose your server location. In most cases, you'll just choose the location closest to you or closest to your audience. That usually gives you the best speed and the lowest latency. I'm going to leave the default location. Now you'll enter your billing details. Click Continue, then enter your payment information. And once you're done, click Submit Payment to proceed. Once you've paid, you'll be brought to the OpenClaw configuration. And first, you'll see the OpenClaw Gateway token here. Copy it and then save it somewhere safe. This token is basically the key that lets your VPCs connect to your OpenClaw dashboard. So treat it like a password, don't share it, and don't leave it sitting in a document that you'll forget about. I'll save mine off-screen in my password manager, and we'll move on to the API keys. Next, we need an API key so that OpenClaw can actually talk to a model and respond. For this, I will go to OpenAI. Then click on API keys. Here, we will create our new API key. To create it, you can give it a name here. Then click on Create Secret Key. This will give us a new key, and make sure to copy this on a safe place. Go to Hostingerr, and here we will paste this API key. Hostingerr has been updating this page, so you may see more services than I see here at the time of my recording. Just make sure that you set up billing for those services correctly, and once you have your keys, you can add them here. And one quick heads up on pricing. OpenClaw itself is free, but OpenAI and Anthropic are usage-based, so every message can cost money. So if you're new to this, start simple. Keep an eye on your usage dashboards in Anthropic and OpenAI, and try not to spam a bunch of test messages while you're setting things up. A few dollars is fine to get started with testing, but you might consider adding enough credits on your favorite provider to enable a higher tier and a better experience. Finally, on this configuration screen, you'll see a WhatsApp number. I'm going to leave this blank because we're not using WhatsApp in this tutorial. If you do want to use it later, you can come back and add it. But for the simplest setup, we're going to use these API keys and then connect to Telegram. So once you've got your gateway token and your API keys ready, go ahead and click Deploy. You may see a click survey. I'll scroll down and skip at the top. You'll see that your project is being deployed. And this can take a few minutes, so just give it a moment. What you're looking for is for the status to switch to running. Once the status shows running, find the OpenClaw dashboard link and click it to open it in a new tab. Paste in the OpenClaw gateway token that you saved and click Login. Once you're in the chat, type a simple message and then send it. If you get a response, that confirms 3 things: OpenClaw running on your VPs, your gateway is connected, and your API keys are working. On the left-hand side, quick overview. Verify that your gateway token is actually entered and check to make sure your status is connected. If you still have issues, make sure that your API keys were pasted correctly and that your billing is set up for those services. With your setup and OpenClaw deployed, the last step is to connect a messaging app so that you can actually chat with your assistant like a normal conversation. This is one of the main reasons people use OpenClaw, because instead of opening the dashboard every time and navigating to the chat window, you can just message your assistant from your phone or your computer and get responses right inside your chat app. For this tutorial, we're going to use Telegram. It's the simplest option because it supports bots and tokens, and those make it easy to connect OpenClaw and test that everything is working. So that's what I'll teach you how to set up. In the OpenClaw chat, I'll type, "Please help me set up Telegram," and then I'll send OpenClaw. OpenClaw should then respond with some steps. Your steps may look a little bit different than mine, but the main points should be the same. We'll open Telegram in message bot father, we'll create a new bot, then we'll paste the token from bot father back to OpenClaw. I'll be using Telegram desktop for this tutorial. With Telegram open here, in the search bar, enter bot father. When you find the official one spelled just like this, open it and then click Start. To create a new bot, use this command here. After using that command or typing out new bot, give your new bot a name. Next, it'll ask for a username. This one has to be unique and it has to end with bot. And I'll send. Once BotFather has created the bot, it'll provide you with an API token. Treat this like you've treated your other API keys. Go ahead and copy it. Go back to your OpenClaw chat and paste in that token. Also, here's the token for my new bot. I'll paste it in, and then I'll hit send. After a moment, OpenClaw will message back, and we'll need to start the bot in Telegram. Send it a message like hello, and then we'll do the bot pairing. So now we'll go back to Telegram. In the message, our link to the new bot is right here, so click this to open it. And here, click Start. Then what you want to do is find a pairing code in this message. Copy this, return once again to OpenClaw, and provide the code, pairing code. Paste, send. Great, OpenClaw will then confirm that this is paired. So let's go back to Telegram. Here, you can see I sent him a hi message, and he's replying properly, so it means our Telegram is connected successfully without OpenClaw. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you plan to have your new AI assistant help you with in the comments.